Hello students, my name is M. A. Rathod. I am going to teach you social science. Let us study lesson number 4. The title of the lesson is Agriculture. This is chapter of class 8th Geography. Agriculture is a primary activity. Most of the crops which are grown go through various produces before reaching us. The transformation from a plant to a finished product involves three types of economic activities. First, primary, then secondary, then tertiary activities. Crops are first grown, then processed, packed, transported, and finally sold in the market before we buy and eat them. Hence, various activities takes place from agriculture to processing to transportation. Let us take the three kinds of activities one by one. A primary activity. These activities are directly related to nature, such as extraction, collection, and production of natural resources. Examples: agriculture, fishing, mining, etc. Then we take secondary activity. These activities involve processing the resources obtained from primary activities. Examples: food processing and packing industry, manufacturing industry such as steel plants, oil refineries, etc. Now we are taking third, tertiary activities. Tertiary activities. These activities are those which facilitate both primary and secondary activities and are generally classified as service industry. Examples: transportation, trading, banking, insurance, and advertising. Now let's take agriculture as a primary activity. As a primary activity. Agriculture is a primary activity which includes growing crops, vegetables, fruits, flowers, rearing livestock. Other resources which we get from agriculture are cotton and jute for fibers and various beverages and spices. Nearly 50% of the world's population is directly or indirectly connected with the primary activity of agriculture. Agriculture is dependent on favorable topography of soil, climate, and water resources that are important for various agriculture activities. It was because of the favorable factors given above that earlier civilizations settled and grew near fertile rivers, valleys, and plains. This land where they could grow crops is known as arable land. With modern and latest technology, the land which was unfit for farming is being made arable, even if it is small in size for shorter period of time. Look at the picture in your book that shows that agricultural activity is done in those areas where the land is arable. You can look it in your notebook and find out where all the activities are being happened. Thank you.